If you want to have control over what devices you're currently signed into with your Epic Games account, then I'm going to show you a first step that you can basically take to sign out of all devices on your Epic Games account. So once you're inside your account here, as you can see, I'm on the internet here on my computer. Just go ahead and open up your account here, or your profile on the upper right hand side, and you want to go to account. Now, once you're in the account section, you want to click on password and security and scroll down to the bottom. You will find an option that says sign out everywhere, and basically you'll be able to sign out everywhere, and basically you'll be able to sign out of everywhere, every account that is being currently used. That could be browsers, phones, console, anywhere that you're currently signing, and so that you can have control over when you're signing in and what you're signing in, right? So you will know how to go back after and manually sign into those devices. So if you start to lose track of where you signed in, this could be a good strategy to just clear all of that and take control over what devices you're signing into. And that's it.